Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect TikTok Ads Manager onto your Shopify website. So, to do this, you'll need to connect it with an app because Shopify don't have this feature built in. And with the app, you could connect all sorts of things. It doesn't have to be a TikTok Ads Manager. It could be Facebook Ads Manager. It could be add-ons for your website. It could be Google Ads Manager. It could be Snapchat or any app embeds that you could think of. So let me show you the Shopify App Store. So it's the Shopify App Store. You just have to search it up here, and you go down here in Shopify App Store, right? And it'll bring you onto this new tab called the Shopify App Store. Now, as you can see here, there's a lot of apps and a lot of brands you might know. There's like Shopify Email, Shopify Search and Discovery, Facebook and Instagram, Google and YouTube, even Pinterest. And then things like Shopify Inbox, Judge Me Product Reviews app, Printful Print on Demand, and of course, the thing we want, which is TikTok. If you don't find TikTok here on the popular with stores like yours, you could scroll down again and you can find TikTok here. And if you don't find anywhere here, of course, you can just use the search bar up here to search up TikTok. Just search TikTok, press enter, and then you'll see there's a lot of option that comes up. Be careful on which one you download. There's TikTok Shop Connector, there's TikTok Shop Integration, there's TikTok Feed by Reputon. They all have TikTok on their name, but it's not the one we want. We want this one, just TikTok, right? Just click on it and then click on install. Make sure the developer is also called TikTok Incorporated, right? Now let's go to the site they redirected me onto. Now let's click on install. Give it a second to install. Now from here, just let it load and you'll be presented with a interface that will that has a lot of drop-down menus. There it goes. Now to get the TikTok Ads Manager connected, you need to connect TikTok Business first. So let's continue setup. As you can see, we need to first connect TikTok for Business, and then after that, we can connect TikTok Ads Manager. Let's click on connect. If you already have a TikTok business account, you can connect it here. Or if you don't have it, you can also create a new one right from Shopify. I'm going to connect my account real quick. I'm going to click on login with TikTok. Now it'll open up a page here. And I'm going to click on continue. Now it's going to connect my TikTok business here. And make sure you click on here as well to agree to the commercials terms of service. I'm going to uncheck this because I don't need the email subscription. I'm going to click on confirm. Now, as you can see, we're going to be prompted for this. Let's just click on connect. And there you go. Our TikTok for Business is connected. Now we just need to connect the TikTok Ads Manager here. Now, if you don't have any Ads Manager in your business account, you can create a new one here, for example. And then in here, you can connect by filling out all of these forms. I'm just going to keep it as is. I'm going to sign up and connect. Of course, you also need a phone number. I'm just going to stop here since I don't have a Netherlands phone numbers. But of course, you can do it with any other phone number. But I'm just going to skip this part because the phone number will take a bit to verify. But honestly, you just have to enter in a phone number here and then click on sign up and connect, and your TikTok Ads Manager will be connected.